Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today, we'll be making a very delicious and easy snacks for you guys. If you're like me who's not really into eating fruits but have leftover apples and oranges from the previous New Year's celebration, then I have something for you. For today, we'll be turning the apples into some apple pies and also we'll be making some strawberry orange smoothie. Please note that the apple pie that we'll be making is not your ordinary apple pie. We'll be using a paratha pastry, a ready-made paratha pastry instead of making the crust or the pastry from scratch. So this is really very easy and quick to do. So you better stay tuned, and before we proceed, if you are not subscribed yet to my channel guys, please do so by clicking the link down below, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you can be updated on when I post a new one. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Now, without further ado, let's start making some snacks. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy our very easy snacks for today. And if you like it, please click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. And follow me on Instagram at mySoFulSweetLife. Thanks again, guys, for joining me, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!